Hello, this is Professor Cat. Today we will talk Lesson 7 and Lesson 8 in MARUGOTO A1. These two lessons are about my home and my house. Let's go through the first passage here. 私の家にはエアコンがあります。椅子が2つあります。テレビはありません。猫がいます。家 here means house or home. Aircon is air conditioner. Arimasu is a verb, and literally it means exist. So there is an air conditioner in my home. 椅子が2つあります。椅子 is chair. 2つ two あります exist. So there are two chairs inside in my room. テレビはありません。ありません is the negative form of あります。So there is no television in my room. 猫がいます。Also, there is a cat in my room. 猫 means cat. Okay, let's go through the structure here. Key sentence here. Blah 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 があります。That is something. There is something. Okay, affirmative. And blah blah はありません。That is negative. blah 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 に何がありますかか is a question mark. 何がありますか何 is what. So it's asking. Okay. And blah 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 に this is for this sentence. 家にエアコンがあります。So here, the first blank is for location. Okay. blah 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 が blah blah あります。This is this sentence. Okay. 椅子が2つあります。So the first is noun and second is for number. Okay. And the last, blah 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 がいくつありますかか is also a question mark. いくつ how many, how much. So 椅子がいくつありますか how many chairs here like this. Okay. And part 3. blah 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 がいます blah 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 はいません Basically, it's very similar, okay, the part 2 and part 3. And the difference is 猫がいます。椅子が2つあります。So here, animal or human being. When we talk something with life, something can talk, we will use these expressions. blah 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 がいます。blah blah blah はいません。And the rest we will use あります。So that is for things or plant. Okay. blah 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 に誰がいますか So here, 何 is for what and 誰 is for who. So for people especially, we will use 誰。blah blah blah が blah blah います。Okay, that's the same. How many people here? 何人いますか That is for asking. Okay, how many people? Like, how many people in your room? 家に like this, okay, location. 家に何人がいますか like this, okay. 家に 何人かいますか? And here we learn how to count things in a local way. I still remember that there are two ways of Japanese number. The first is Chinese way, and then the local way or original way. We have learned Chinese way before. 1, 2, 3, 4 go like this. And the local way is here. 1つ、2つ、3つ、4つ. Small t here, so means circle. 5つ、6つ small. 7つ、8つ small. 9つ、tall. いくつ、いくつ is for asking how many or how much. And there's a very important point that the local way of count only for 1 to 10. If we want to say 11, there are 11 chairs here. Chairs means chairs in Japanese is 椅子. So when the number is above the 10, like 11, we will use the Chinese way. So 椅子が11あります like this, okay? The local style, local counting is only from 1 to 10. Okay. Now the second passage. 私の家には I'm sorry. Here. 私の家はマンションです。夫と住んでいます。私の家は明るいです。Mansion here, the English word is mansion, but originally is a French word, okay, maison. In French, it means a really, really big house, like a villa, okay. But in Japanese, it's like upper class apartment, something like this, or a fashioned apartment. So my room or my house is a fashion apartment. Otto, that means husband. To is with. 住んでいます living. I'm living with my husband. 私の家は明るいです。明るい is an adjective. Means bright or light. Here, blah 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 blah. Well, blah blah blah. This used to describe something. Like my house is new. 私の家は新しいです。Like this. Okay? And the negative form is くない. So my room is not bright. 私の家は明るくないです。Negative form. Okay? And blah 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 と住んでいます。夫と住んでいます。I'm living with like this. But if we want to express I'm living by myself, that is 一人で住んでいます。Pay attention to the difference. Okay? 一人で住んでいます。What about the location? I'm living in Japan. That is me. Okay. 日本に住んでいます。Now, if I want to express some sentences more complicated, like I'm living in Japan by myself, then how to express it? 私は this part is not necessary. And 一人で日本に住んでいます。Okay. 一人で日本に住んでいます。It's quite easy, right? In lesson 8, there are 4 kanji characters here. So I will show you how to write it. 大きい that is big or large. 小さい that is small. These two are quite easy. This is complicated, so we will learn the 4th. 古い old. This is new. 新しい。私の家は新しい。Okay. 新しい。Conversation in lesson 8. 安倍さん、カップはどこですか？カップは棚の上です。時計の横です。棚の上、時計の横。あ、わかりました。カップ is cup. And どこ means where, so where is the cup? That is like, well, because she's thinking. Okay. So this is for someone when someone is thinking. カップは棚 means shelf. 上 means up or above. So the cup is above the shelf. 時計 that is clock. 横 so if something is here, and yoko means left or right, so means nearby. Both left or right can be expressed with yoko. 棚の上、時計の横. Now she's repeating. Okay. あ、わかりました. Okay, I got it. Blah 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 は blah 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 no blah 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 this. So this part is for location. And there are some words related to location in this lesson, like here, 上, that is for up, and for down, that is 下. Yoko means nearby, and naka, inside, naka. And left and right. Left, that is 左. Right is 右. Okay, let's make an example. 鍵は箱の中です. Did you got it? 鍵, that is key. 箱, that is box. So the key is inside the box. 鍵は箱の中です. If we want to ask the location, blah 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 はどこですか? Okay. And in lesson 8, there is also a simulation about visiting others' home. ごめんください. This is a phrase for you knock someone's door. There's no equal expression in English, so it will be translated like anyone inside, like this. ごめんください. And please pay attention that when you visit someone's house in Japan, you should knock with 2 times. Don't. It's not the American or Western style like don't 3 times, only 2 times. Okay. いらっしゃい, welcome. どうぞ上がってください. Please come in. どうぞ means please. It's a frequently used word in Japanese. どうぞ. お邪魔します. お邪魔します literally means disturbing you like this. Okay. Sorry about it disturbing, interrupting like this. いい部屋ですね. It's a really nice room. どうもありがとう. It's a very polite way. Okay. お茶どうぞ. Please have the tea. いただきます. いただきます is used before you take something. Here you are going to enjoy the tea, so you should say it. Before you drink or eat something, or before you take something, present, gift, something like this. おいしいですね, delicious. So delicious in Japanese, おいしい can use to describe both drinking and eating, both food and beverage. Next. これ何ですか? What is this? 韓国の人形です。Korea. 人形 doll is a Korean doll. そうですか。綺麗ですね. Oh, I see. It's really nice. Okay. トイレはどこですか? Is like sorry, something like this. Okay. Where is the restroom? Okay. Lavatory. こちらへどうぞ. This way, please. こちら means this way. はい、すみません. Sorry. Thank you. Like this. Okay. That's all for today's lesson, and see you next time. また